Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can add a custom token to your MetaMask wallet on your PC. I will be adding BitHotel token for this tutorial. Open your wallet. Select the network of the token that you want to add. Click on the plus sign. On the search bar type in the name of the token that you want to add. If the token doesn't show up, head back and copy the contract of the token. Once you've copied the contract, head back to your wallet. Click the plus sign. Click on Custom Asset. On the search bar, paste the contract of the token which you just copied. In some cases, the token name, symbol, and decimals might not show up. If you're in such situation, you'll need to add it manually. Click Add Asset. The token has just been added. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.